G'day, I'm Mick the Camp Oven Cook, and today we're looking at some cast iron here from Camp Chef. Let's have a closer look what I have here. So in this box I've got a 10-inch camp oven, a 12-inch camp oven. Also in America they call these a Dutch oven, so that's why it's labelled like this, because this is an American brand. And in this box here I've got a 6-piece cast iron starter set. It's got some great things inside the box. Over the last 10 years, it's been my passion to educate others in camp oven cooking, and this includes what camp oven to buy. In my opinion, pretty much any camp oven on the market today is pretty much the same. They're all made of cast iron, they all come pre-seasoned, and they all cook your food really well, and they last a lifetime if looked after. However, today I'm going to focus on what I have here on the table, and it's the cast iron from Camp Chef. Let's have a closer look. So in each of these boxes come this fancy little lid lifter, the Dutch oven, and the book. Now I did say one thing before, and that was all the cast iron that I've seen on the market today is all pretty much the same. Now the Camp Chef has a couple of few features that I really like that other brands don't have. Both of these camp ovens have the same features, and that's a lid that turns into a frying pan, has little legs sit up off the ground. You can cook something on that. With the base of the camp oven, it's got 3 legs. Legs for me are very important because it gives you space between your coals and the bottom of the camp oven. Now a lot of people nowadays use trivets in the bottom of their oven to create the space. So with the legs, it just gives you that bit more space, and it allows the coals to breathe a bit more as well. Another really cool feature with these is the vent hole here, or thermometer hole. This hole allows steam to escape, so when you're cooking things like roast pork or roast veggies, you can allow the moisture to get out. And just to close that up, all you have to do is turn the lid to the side there, and it covers it up the way the lid's made. And one of the most important features is the seasoning of your oven. Now these ovens are double seasoned through their unique process, and it just creates a nice smooth finish. And looking at these ovens, I'm really loving the seasoning on these. Alright, also going to have a quick look at the 6-piece set. It's got a deep dish frying pan, it's got a shallow frying pan, it also doubles the lid. It's got a 10-inch camp oven with a lid. It's also got a small frying pan that uses the same lid as the Dutch oven, and comes with a trivet that you can sit the oven on as well. One thing with this set is I think it's more ideal for home cooking in your oven or on top of your stove top. The Americans are real big on using cast iron at home, and this set resembles that. So if you're in the market for looking for a nice camp oven or a Dutch oven or a skillet, definitely check out the Camp Chef range on their website, campchef.com.au. I'm Mick, the Camp Oven Cook. Happy cooking.